What is good and welcome back to Craig Marshall. If this is your first time joining us, please listen. If this is your first time on this channel, make sure to go hit the subscribe button. I just want to say thank you for the 5,000 subscribers. Yes, we are finally it's 5,000 subscribers and we're on the road to 6,000 subscribers. So please keep on subscribing, keep on supporting, keep on liking this video so that we come back with more videos, so that I'm more streets social media. So I'm back again in this year to show. So Tatelisha said she can take over MyTT's possession. Or not MyTT and Obina are dating. Yes, I wanna says right. I think that Munzonia Tifamba to evidence could MyTT Vagaramana says that's not true. MyTT actually posted my videos in Obina in Cape Town. It's Cape Town, Durban, I don't know. So here is what Tatelisha said to say post chacho iyo. She wrote this on her Facebook and said kuti ndini hands inini Tatelisha's ndini my Obina number 2 the second. So hanzi type zana Obina idzidzi dzinotoreka hanzi iyo feli tingada tokugara naka daya kuva todzokera UK kuna Zizo. So abati type zana Zizo nana Obina dzinenge kupoza mbichana kakudzungaira mukati. So hanzi vanotoreka izi takaswera takunakirwa zvedizvo. So post yacho iyo yamuri kungoona munokwanisa kungozverengera moona kuti chichiitika. But then anyway, inini what I wanna know is what are your thoughts panyaya iyi. Muri kuzoona sei, please leave down a comment down panapa or ku Facebook page. Just leave a comment and tell us what you think. Do you think kuti Tatelisha's actually zvekupenga here kana kuti ndezvekunyepa? And I have also got another nyaya on Tatelisha's I think 2 days ago said kuti Nelly Akadengure sister ya Jinimbi arikuona coffin hanzi arikumuka mangwanani every morning achiona coffin ya Jinimbi isisipo mugova yakatochererwa iri pajuraho here every day. So hanzi anofidere nyoke something like that. The post yacho, if ndichinayo I'll try to put it there so that muone post yacho. But then those wanga chitaka chiti box ra Jinimbi his coffin riri kufukunuka robva ramuka riri pajuraho and akuti pane nyoka yavasiri kufita zvakanaka. So inini handiziye. Comment down below, tell us what you think about nyaya dzatinchikwigira. Tell us right now in my comments. Leave a like, don't forget to subscribe and also follow us on Marshall God Kispa Instagram and then on Trending Zimbabwe on Facebook, so that I'm always anything zvinenge my streets. For me, party on another video. Stay blessed, stay safe, sanitize, social distancing, mask. I'm on another video. Out.